If you are new to the world of cryptocurrency, then you might be wondering, what is crypto staking? Well, simply put, crypto staking is the process of locking up a portion of your cryptocurrency holdings to support a blockchain network and earn rewards in return. When you stake your crypto, you're essentially helping to validate transactions on the blockchain and keep the network secure. In exchange for your contribution, you'll receive staking rewards, which are typically paid out in the form of additional cryptocurrency. One of the biggest benefits of crypto staking is the potential to earn passive income on your cryptocurrency holdings. Staking rewards can vary depending on the cryptocurrency you're staking and the length of time you're willing to lock up your coins. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved in crypto staking. One of the biggest risks is the potential for your staked coins to lose value if the price of the cryptocurrency declines. Additionally, some staking platforms may have lockup periods, during which you won't be able to access your coins. So, is crypto staking right for you? It depends on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. But if you're looking for a way to earn passive income on your cryptocurrency holdings, then it's definitely worth considering.